So this is my lasagna tutorial. You're gonna be needing ground meat, a kilo, tomato sauce. It can be homemade or you can buy it in the market as I did. 1/4 of an onion, 2 garlics, salt, pepper, cheese, and a little bit of oil. Preheat your oven at 200 Celsius. When it looks like this, add your meat. Try to separate the meat pieces as small as you can. It should look like this, and then you add your sauce.
Lo mojo y le doy.
After this, cover it and wait 5 minutes. Add a little bit of sauce so it doesn't stick to the recipient. The second tip is never to leave any piece of lasagna pasta without sauce on it, because if it doesn't have sauce, it won't cook itself. Leave it for 20 minutes and enjoy.